The raging bushfires that have swept across Australia continue to spread, as strong winds and record temperatures fan the flames. Firefighters are still battling 130 fires across New South Wales, 40 of which have not been contained. Teams are also fighting a blaze in Victoria, and on Tasmania, which saw mass fires over the weekend, an uncontrolled fire is burning by the Tasman peninsula. Temperatures in some areas of devastation have now passed 50 degrees, causing the Bureau of Meteorology to add a new colour, deep purple, to the charts in order to show the intense heat generated from parts of the inferno. The heatwave also continues across the country as temperatures soar to past 40 degrees in some places along the New South Wales coast. The areas of Illawarra, Shoalhaven, southern Ranges and Riverina in this region have all been given a catastrophic fire rating, meaning that if fires break out, they will be uncontrollable and fast moving. Prime Minister Julian Gillard has told residents to stay alert, warning that this is a very dangerous day.